Hi guys, I'm Nico from the Street Wheels Philippines. Today I'm gonna do the unboxing of the 08, one of the products of Street Wheels that we recently launched. Alright, let's do it. Okay, by the way, the box size is 106 by 26 by 24 centimeters. Upon opening the box, you will see that there is a manual for the 08, charger, and the mini tools. Alright, let's take this out. The 08, not too heavy, only 16 kilograms. Okay. So there you go, there's our 08. You just need to cut the foam. That's it. Folding. There you go. The handlebar. You just need to adjust the controller by using your tools. Just twist it in front. Alright, then tighten it. Tighten this handlebar like that. Like this. Unlock it. There you go. Ready to use the all-new 08. Let's turn it on. And we're ready to go. Bye. Here's the spec of the 08. The battery is 48 volts, 10 amperes. The tire is 8-inch, solid rear, air tire in front. Okay, and it has a single brake, a rear drum brake. And the max speed for this scooter is 40 kilometers per hour with a range of 35 kilometers. And the weight is 16 kilograms. And it has suspension. The front is a spring suspension and the rear is a hydraulic suspension. Okay, it also has a front light. Three front lights, 1, 2, 3. And it's also a brake light. When you press the brake, it will turn on. Alright, there you have it, the all-new 08. And you can purchase our products at Street Wheels Philippines, or you can just visit our website www.streetwheels.ph, and you may also visit our Facebook page Street Wheels PH. Okay, once again, I'm Nico of the Street Wheels Philippines. Mabuhay! You want 08? Coming right up!